So x times 3x would be the first term times the first term in these two sets of parentheses. So x times 3x plus the outside terms, x times 2, which we would normally write as 2x. And then the inside terms, negative 4 times 3x makes negative 12x. Negative 4 times positive 2 makes a negative 8. Now, cleaning this up, x times 3x, we would add those exponents on the x's, which are understood to be 1, so 3x squared. The 2x and the negative 12x are like terms since the variable part is the same, x to a first power in both cases. So combining those makes negative 10x, because 2 plus negative 12 is negative 10, and then minus 8, nothing to combine with that. So that's all we can do to write the product of these two binomials.